friends, ഞാനിന്നിവിടെ ആൽക്കലോയിഡ്സിൻ്റെ ഡെഫിനിഷൻ, ടൈപ്സ് ഓഫ് ആൽക്കലോയിഡ്സ്, ക്ലാസിഫിക്കേഷൻ ഓഫ് ആൽക്കലോയിഡ്സ്, കെമിക്കൽ ടെസ്റ്റ് ആൻഡ് സം മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ചോയ്സ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ഡെഫിനിഷൻ, ആൽക്കലോയിഡ്സ് are the organic products of natural or synthetic origin which are basic in nature and contain one or more nitrogen atoms, normally of heterocyclic nature and having specific physiological actions on human or animal body. Three types of alkaloids: true alkaloids, protoalkaloids and pseudoalkaloids. Derived from amino acids, have heterocyclic ring with nitrogen is a true alkaloids. Protoalkaloids derived from amino acids does not have heterocyclic ring with nitrogen. Nitrogen is in the side chain. Pseudoalkaloids not derived from amino acids have heterocyclic ring with nitrogen. Classification of alkaloids. True alkaloids. First, pyrrole and pyrrolidine. Hydrogen is the example. Next one is pyridine and piperidine. Examples are arecolin, lobeline, pelletrine, nicotine, anabasine, piperine and ricinin. Tropane alkaloids are atropine, hyoscine, cocaine, hyoscyamine, metalloidine. Next is indole or benzpyrrole. Examples are ergotamine, ergometrin, strychnine, brucine, reserpine, serpentine, ajmalin, yohimbine, vinblastine, vincristine, serotonin, physostigmine, tryptamine. Quinoline. Examples: quinine, quinidine, cinchonine, cinchonidine. Isoquinolines. Example: morphine, codeine, emetine, cephalin, hydrastine, berberine, tubocurarine, papaverine and narcotine. Aporphine. Example: boldine. Imidazole or glyoxalines. Examples: pilocarpine, histamine. Quinazoline. Example: vasocinone. Lupin or non-lupinine. Example: spartine, cystine, lupanine, laburnin, cadaverine. Indolecidine. Example: castanospermine, swainsoine. Pyrolecidine. Example: senexinone, monocrotaline, helisopine. Protoalkaloids. Examples: alkaloidal amines, ephedrine, colchicine and mescaline, etc. Pseudoalkaloids. Examples are terpenoid alkaloid, aconine and aconitin, purine derivative, theophylline and caffeine, theobromine. Steroidal alkaloids or glycoalkaloids. Example: conosine, vertramine and solanidine. Chemical test: Mayer's test, Dragendorf reagent, Hager's reagent and Wagner's reagent. First one is Mayer's reagents. Potassium mercuric iodide is used. We will get cream color. Dragendorf reagent, potassium bismuth iodide is a content. Reddish brown color is obtained. Hager's reagent, picric acid, yellow precipitate formed. Wagner's reagent, iodine in potassium iodide, reddish brown color. Next is multiple choice question. First, an example of imidazole alkaloid is. Options are atropine, cephalin, physostigmine and pilocarpine. Correct answer is pilocarpine. Next question. Ergot alkaloids are derivatives of. Options are phenylalanine, tryptophan, tryptamine, lysergic acid. Right answer is lysergic acid. Third question. Ester ring or physostigmine is present in. Options are leaves, roots, stems, cotyledons. Correct answer is cotyledons. Fourth question. Mahang is another name of the plant. Options are Corsi, aloe, ephedra and cinchona. Right answer is ephedra. Fifth question. Meadow saffron seed is. Options are linseed, Nux vomica, colchicum seed, or coca. Right answer is colchicum seed. Sixth question is the term alkaloid was proposed by. Options are A. Aristotle, B. W. Meissner, C. Galileo, D. Seidler. Right answer option B. W. Meissner. Next question, which is not present in ipecac? Option A. Cephalin, option B. Emitin, option C. Reserpine, option D. Psychotrine. Right answer is Reserpine. Dragendorf reagent is option A. Solution of potassium bismuth iodide, option B. Potassium mercuric iodide solution, solution of iodine in potassium iodide, solution of picric acid. Right answer is option A. Reserpine is isolated from Papaver somniferum, Revolvia serpentina, Clavices purpura, and Catharanthus roseus. Right answer is Revolvia serpentina. Last question, isochlorine alkaloid is Papaver somniferum, Revolvia serpentina, Clavices purpura, and Catharanthus roseus. Right answer is Papaver somniferum.